Good morning. Today I'm cycling from Spokane, Washington to Harrison, Idaho, a new state. It's 9 a.m. It's about 66. The high is going to be less than 80. There are some moderate winds, but it's a tailwind, so that's all good. There is some climbing. I stayed at the Ruby in downtown Spokane. Everything was fine there. After arriving in Spokane, I met up with Vivian and Ken and also Jess for dinner. They're all riding the Gawa. Vivian and Ken are riding my route on an e-bike. They're about one day ahead of me, so I'm getting all the scouting from them, which is good. I'm climbing up and on Highland Drive. It's fairly steep, but not too long. I did walk my bike a bit just as I was leaving the main city. There's a deep valley and ravine to my right. It is pretty. I've also readjusted my camera. It's a little bit higher. I'm hoping that's going to help with the perspective. I do like these blue flowers to the right. Hope you can see the valley. I think you mostly can just see the flowers. So I think I'm at the top on Highland Drive. It's a nice view over there to the right. Hello. Hello.
Morning.
Morning. I keep thinking I'm at the top, but then there's a little bit more. It's not too steep. The grade here is maybe 1%, maybe 2. There you can get a good view of that valley. Nice, very nice farm area. It's 11 o'clock. I've ridden almost 17 miles. I've ascended 1,400 feet, so that's more than half. I've got 2 miles to the Freeman store and 42 miles to Harrison. The rest day has done me a lot of good. My power is much better. I'm feeling better. We did identify one issue, is I haven't been having my protein immediately after the ride. I've been forgetting, so that's going to change. I put a note with my chargers, which is the first thing I get out when I get to the hotel, as a reminder. I am noticing an issue with my rear derailleur tensioner. When I'm pedaling hard and then let off and back pedal just a slight amount, it's like the tensioner chain becomes loose, and then when I start to pedal it jerks. So I'm going to look at that when I get to the store. I'm coming up to the Freeman store. In 2024 I stumbled across this place. It's a perfect distance from Spokane. The other thing is I rode a gravel road in 2024 and I thought it was too rough. So this year I routed to the highway. Okay. Here we are. Well, we're approaching Rockford. We're currently on Missile Base Road. All right, we're coming into Rockford and I'm going to find a place for lunch. So I just had lunch at Frednick's and this is a very small town, but they were very busy, apparently because of Father's Day. It's 73, so it's a bit chilly for me. They have a museum. It's kind of neat. And my elevation gain is almost 1,700 feet, and I think it's 2,400 for the day. Just a beautiful view. Nice view to the left. I must have blown 2 hours at that restaurant. It's 1:42. I still have 30 miles to go, and it's estimating 2 hours and 40 minutes. I think I'm going faster than that. So that's a 5 o'clock arrival, hoping it's sooner. We're coming up to the Idaho state line. I actually think we are in Idaho. All right. Apparently there's an Ironman. It says expect delays up to 2 p.m. It is 2, so hopefully I've missed that. I'm at the casino in Worley, or Coeur Lane Casino, and I'm just gonna cycle past. I have plenty of water. A very nice lake to the right. I think I'm still in the casino property. It's beautiful. Yes, I'm remembering now. I had to cycle right through that because I'm not actually supposed to be here. Okay, out of the reservation now. All right, we're entering the Coeur Lane Trail. Yay! So I'm gonna fill up my bottle, and then we just got about, I think, 15 minutes to go. Ooh, this is nice. All right, it's 3 o'clock. We're in Plumber, entering the Coeur lane. We've got about 15 miles to Harrison, all on the Coeur lane. Yay, this is one of the better rail trails in the whole thing. In fact, it's like a rails to trails top 10. Moo! To the right. Moo! He's watching me. I could record constantly, it's so beautiful. Nice. Nice flowers.
Close cycling mode.
Okay. Nice. The drone's gonna get a good view of the lake. So I can see on my little beacon where the drone is, or whether it's following me. It also gives me the battery level of the drone. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay. That's gonna be a good clip. All right, well, what we're going to do is let it follow us to the bridge, but we're not going on the bridge with it. All right. Nice. Looks like we got a photo op going up here. Hello. Hi. Hello. Wow. We're done with the drone for today. We still have plenty of battery, but I want to get there by a little after 4. It's 3:52 right now, and it's about 5 miles to Harrison. And not everything is open, so I don't want to get there too late. It's beautiful. Nice. Nice. Okay, we're coming into Harrison. It's 4:15. Okay, the Lakeside Bar and Grill is open and they have a general store. How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm doing just fine.
How many miles so far today?
This is a little more than 60. So the little store at the marina hardly had anything. Oof. Gotta stop. I think I remember a little grocery store up there. Not much is open. I think this is it. Okay. There's the Lakeview Lodge. We're here.